Basil that is present at this time. Now, this free art lesson with the theme The Artist in Me aims to discover creativity among youth. So without any further ado, may we ask our SK chairwoman, Ms. Paini Bosokan, to introduce our guest speaker for today.
Hi.
Hello everyone, good morning ulit. So,
We can start.
Yung introduction ko parang hindi short, consider kasi nagaduti na pop my source about you, about his history. So, our guest speaker today is possess a remarkable set of talents. Like kanina, we hear him singing, and also I heard that he also plays the guitar.
Yeah.
And about his background, he also started being an SK, chairperson of Bakaken Norte, and also barangay captain and president of Liga ng mga Barangay for 2 consecutive years, and also councilor of 3 consecutive and comebacking again.
Number 1 councilor.
Yes, number 1 councilor twice. And also acting as a vice mayor nung time ni Mayor Bautista?
No, Mayor Yeranon, kasi he was taken out.
Yun. But the other councilor to check my source. So yeah, he also, additionally, he went to Switzerland to some exploration there and continue his painting sa Switzerland, and also have an exhibit doon sa Switzerland.
Alam mo yun
Sir. And yeah, also, no February 19, 2023, he opened a Manor exhibit, Alpine, Switzerland and Baguio, fusion at the Manor. And also, last month lang, nag-open si Councilor ng museum, and it called Lian sa Bakaken Norte. And yes, let us all welcome Councilor.
That's very kind of you. Inyati course mo?
Psychology.
Oh, that's good. Very good. Inyang school?
UC.
Okay, so good morning. Thank you very much for the very kind introduction. We'll go straight to the point kasi we came here kanina before 8:30. Then 8:30, wala pa kayo. Tapos may dumating na dalawa. Sino yung dalawang dumating na nakasalubong namin? We had to run to Military Cut-Off because we have a mural project, a joint project with the Barangay Council and the SK of Military Cut-Off. Ito pong ginagawa natin, it's an advocacy. And it's our passion. Yung mga sumusunod sa akin na kasama ko dito sa programa nito, it's also their passion. They love arts. And hopefully you, people who are here, are lovers of art. Tama ba yun? Okay. Let me introduce our team. Let me start with Margie Omorsolo. Oh, yun. Margie. She's an artist, visual artist, and also a performing artist, international singer. Galing sila sa Thailand. Then during the pandemic, nakulong sila sa Baguio. So dito na sila sa Baguio. Then we also have one of our best students sa art residency class. We put up, by the way, on April 25, 2023, the first art bank in Baguio. Hindi na-mention ni Paini yun. What is this art bank? Ito po, it's located in Athletic Baguio. An art bank is a place where you store artworks. So maraming artworks ng mga artist ng Baguio na nandun naka-display. There will come a time your artworks will only be displayed also in that place. Okay? And then, nag-open kami ng art residency class, yung mga mahilig sa arts, and one of our best students nandito si Dylan Calines. Dylan, mahihayin tayo pa. Magaling ito pa. In fact, I will ask her to, for this time, makiparticipate sa pagturo because I want her trained. Ang kukunin niya na course sa SLU is, magkakalis na is, ano yung course mo? Ha? Okay, multimedia arts. So, yun ang course na kukunin niya. Mayroon na palang bagong course na bachelor's course, no? Baccalaureate degree. So, yun ang kukunin niya. And then, she's studying sa Baguio City National High School yung special program for the arts. So, agdungan kayo niya, na kayo ma-oping, you get into high school and you want to hone your talents in the special program, whether it's visual art, singing, music, and everything. You try to take the entrance exam sa City High. Meron din pala sa Pines din, no? Specialized courses for high school students, okay? And then, meron kaming bagong kasama dito, si Catherine. Si Catherine is, she used to be with the, what do you call that in SNU? Yeah, orchestra. Ang laro niya is yung violin. Ako, I play the guitar, drums, I also play the drums. So, one time also when I came back from Switzerland in 2021, nag-open kami ng free art lessons, aka free guitar lessons sa park sa Baguio. But with the addition of Kat, we can probably open up an academy na lahat ng, we will not compete with those offering formal schooling, no, sa music, but pang tulong or pang complement, and maybe I'd like to compliment and I'd like to commend your SK chairman, si Piney, for coming up with this kind of activity. And it's very encouraging and inspiring. Gamay niya yung programa because, you know, not all the SK chairpersons in Baguio, gamay nila yung ganitong programa. Baguio was declared as a creative city in 2017. Ibig sabihin, tayo daw na taga Baguio, magagaling sa sining. We are creative, we are artistically inclined. So, on our part, tumutulong lang kami na palaguin. Yun lang, wala kaming ibang agenda. Love namin na ginagawa yan, it's our passion, we love doing it, na palaguin ang sining or to make creativity very strong, and it should prevail in every nook and cranny in the city of Baguio. Then we also have Joy from our office, Joy. Nandun si Joy. Yan, and then si Albert. Sino pa? Yan. So yan mga kasama ko, no? And before we start, as a starter, sino na dito yung marunong ng mag-drawing o mag-sketching? Itaas ang kamay. Okay. Sino yung first time na sasama dito? Itaas ang kamay. Okay. There's always the first time, you know. You are lucky if you are gifted like me na when I was in elementary, ako yung tinatawagan palagi ng mga teachers na gumawa ng decoration sa school kung kailangan ng backdrop sa harap, sa stage. At an early age, I was already doing it. Maniwala kayo at sa tiyempo ko, I was in grade 1. Ako yung tinatawagan na gagawa ng mga sketches for the school. When nung kapanahunan ko, I used to be the champion in art competitions. Yung nakakalawagan ko palagi, yung head teacher ngayon ng my batchmate, si Jason Quinopes. Siya ang head teacher, isang head teacher sa Don Nicasio Elementary School in Oro Hill. Galing yun, very talented. So we put up a group known as the Baguio Educators Arts Guild. I-introduce ko rin yung isang kasama namin doon, si Dr. Arnold Acunsay. He is with us. He retired early and now he's into a lot of creative events and activities and programs. Yun, kasama namin sa Baguio Educators Arts Guild. Yung ginawa namin, yung mga talented na mga nasa DepEd, we put up a group known as the BIAG. Okay? Then there's another group we put up known as the Sinagi. Sinagi means, for us, Kankanay, kung saan man Kankanay. Sinagi means agkakapsat. Even in Pangasinan, Sinagi means magkakapatid. Okay? So magkakapatid tayo ngayon. So let's start. The first thing that we will do is to do sketching. No? Sino sa inyo dito ang nakaka-drawing ng mukha? Maski anime o yung mga robots o yung mga cartoons. Anyway, the first thing that you should do is to learn how to draw. No? So, for example, Kaya lang, may lapis kayo. Kami po dito, no, we provide everything that is needed for the free art lessons, but I asked Piney to be kind enough to help kasi there was one time na it was in Middle Quirino Hill, no. We thought all the while na ang nag-enroll lang is mga 30 na estudyante, young and old, but when we went, na-triple. So nagkulang yung materials. So ito, sabi ko kay SK Chairman, Piney na, tumulong sa sinteso. Sino sa inyo may dala na pencil dito? Wala. Paint brushes, sino may dala ng paint brushes? No, that's good. So nagpe-paint nyo. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's very good and very nice of you. So, nakakapag-sketch din kayo. In arts, there are many ways of doing it. You may not be able to draw, you may not be able to sketch, you may not be able to do a portrait. But you can also choose to do abstract. You know what's abstract art? I'll give you an example. Si Richard Gomez, saan dapat paglandagan din nga. Si Richard Gomez, kilala niyo si Richard Gomez, di ba? Gumawa siya ng artwork sa canvas, no? Ganun lang. Parang, we will help you market your artworks. So, let's start with the basic. Ito basic, siguro kayang-kaya nyo. But like when you do a face, no? What do you do? Basic, you use lines, curves, shapes. So, halimbawa, gagawa kayo ng mukha. You start by doing a, yan lang. Tapos, gagawin niyo yung tulo, no? Yan. Yun ang pag-layout. Then, yung paglalagyan ng lips, halimbawa. Nose, eyes, and then eyebrows. Okay? So, you can start with, dito sa baba, the lips, no? Very kissable lips. Okay. Gusto yung makapal? Parang si Angelina Jolie, dinakihan nyo. Okay. Now, yung nose, layout yun na gano'n. Okay. And then the eyes. Okay. Ganyan.
Dino-document ko.
Oh.
Kailangan.
Eyebrows.
Thank you.
Gusto nyo makapal? You can put the ears. Depende yung malaki o maliit. Then, pwede mo lagyan na ng ear. Okay? So, ganyan. Okay? That's how you start sketching a face. Kuha nyo? Ayun. Now, that's just one. Now, there's what they call still art, like katulad nito. Mineral bottle, no? So, halimbawa, gagawin natin yan. You also, I would advise you to use the same lines and shapes. Okay? So, yan. Okay? Okay? So, yun na. We're using the lines and shapes. So, yung ginawa mong ellipse doon, ganun mo lang yun. Huwag na yung ganun doon. So, ganun. Okay? Okay? So, ganyan. Ganun ang basic. Now, I know that you're very eager to start, no? So let's start and we will be able to decipher kung how far have you gone o gaano ang inabot mo. So, ito bibigyan ka ng coupon band, let's do sketching. And then, dito sa baba, you write your name. You can use a pseudonym or your real name like, halimbawa, Lean. Yung Lean, that's Leandro Yangot, 2024. Ngayon, kung gusto niyo yung complete name niyo rin, Arnold, halimbawa, Arnold
Schwarzenegger.
Bonsai. Okay?
Schwarzenegger.
2024.
Joke lang.
So the first lesson na gagawin natin is to sketch, to do a portrait, to sketch a face.
Ay, yan, maganda yan.
Don't worry na pan, you just do a face na alam nyo. We will give you 5 minutes to do that. So, Piney, para ma-assess natin yung kanilang one. If you want to enroll in advanced lessons, no? We have an art residency class. We will resume next Saturday from 8:30 to 10 o'clock in the morning. At the Athletic Bowl, meron pong art bank doon. And I'd like to invite you, Joy, Catherine, and Doc Arnold.
Yes, sir.
You please announce, and Piney,
Yes po.
and yung mga SK, that there's going to be a very special class this Saturday. 8:30 is Athletic Bowl Bleachers. It's about, you listen, it's about solar art. This is a very special kind of art, and only a few can do this. My cousin, Jordan Mangusang, the president of Tamawan Village Artists, will be the resource person. Siya pong magtuturo nito. Ang kailangan nyo lang na dalhin is sunglasses. And then, if you want to have a better material to work on, you can bring your wood or plywood for solar burning. Okay? We can provide you, pero kung gusto nyo, meron kayong i-decorate sa inyong sala, sa inyong kwarto, magdala kayo ng material nyo, mas maganda yun. But we will provide small plywoods for the initial class. And if you're interested, sa next Saturday po yun sa Athletic Bowl. Libre po to. Ha? Yung ibibigay ng professional fee sa artist, ako na po ang bahala. Okay? So, huwag lang dito i-announce nyo sa mga lahat through social media yung interesado. Punta po tayo sa Athletic Bowl sa next Saturday. Okay? And, ganito. You come on time. We start 8:30, then a little bit, start na yan. Now, ganito. Kung meron kayong convex na magnifying glass, alam niyo yung magnifying glass? I-drawing ko para alam niyo. So, actual yan. Ito yung magnifying glass, no? Ito yung magnifying glass, yung ganyan. Okay? You use the sun, the rays of the sun, na sunugin yung kahoy na mag-paint. Naiiba to, no? Naiiba. And this is for free. Kung mag-enroll kayo sa labas nito, it's very expensive. Pero to, we will make it free for all of you. And this is open to everybody. Now, kung meron kayong sariling tawag nito, kahoy, mas maganda. Kasi you can do what you want. Yung ibibigay namin na kahoy, yung standard lang na plywood. Pero kung gusto mong gagawa ng isang masterpiece, mas maganda. Okay? Ang dami dyan sa Camp 7, yung Manabukit, sa Kasaasin, punta kayo. Ang dami pwedeng makuha ang kahoy doon. Okay? So, yun ang isisingit ko. Next Saturday yun, that's May 25. Okay? Then maybe later on sa district nyo, you initiate the move, yung mga SK, we can put up a free music lessons class dito. Kasi alam ko, very active ang mga SK dito. Okay? Yan. So, Piney will take the lead. Mag-coordinate kayo. Yung SK chairperson din dyan sa PON, magaling. Na-meet ko na kasi meron kaming mural project dyan sa PMA Fort Del Pilar. Okay? So, we will start na. So, as a starter, you sketch yung favorite face or even a cartoon face, whatever that you like. You do a portrait. Okay? We'll give you 5 minutes. Anong oras na? 9:43 at 9:48. Finished or unfinished, pass your paper. Your time starts now. You start sketching. May mga lapis doon. Okay? May lapis ba kayo? Sinong walang lapis?
Sino walang lapis?
Meron akong lapis doon sa Albert, sa sakyan. Kaya man mga lagay lugan ti ko, ada ti lapis, ti truck ti lugan. Papahiraman ko kayo, pero ibalik nyo ha, kasi gagamitin namin yan sa susunod din. Kanino to?
Yeah.
Kanino to?
Sino?
Yan, kailangan. So you start sketching na, ha?
Loomis method yan yung ginagawa mo. Loomis method.
Dahilan. Manudatin may tata? Manudatin may?
Oh, pan consider.
The attendance, manuda.
Hindi yun attendance.
Anisin pa lang. Manuda. Yung sinabi ko kanina na magturo ka ulit.
16 consider.
16.
Nakapag-attendance ba lahat, guys?
Tingnan ko sa sasakyan kung may 16 doon sa canvas course. Para they will be given the chance to. Ikaw magtuturo, ha?
Loomis method yan ginagamit namin sa animation. Isa akong student kasi ng animation. Kaya nakikita ko yung style. Pwede rin gumamit ka ng random shapes para makuha yan. May technique yan. Pero mas maganda kung ballpen para ma-gain mo yung confidence mo. Loomis method yan. May measurements yan.
Sige. Hello. Come here, you're just here. We're doing now. Is there a sketches? Sino pang walang pencil, guys? Ayun, here. Ay, ko nakadala ni pencil. Well, Adeline. Wesley. Ito yung sketches.
Dadalhin kayo sa Burnham Park o sa Botanical Garden, mag-sketch ng mga turista, yung mukha ng turista. Babayaran kayo ng turista. O, di ba, sideline ko yung mga estudyante. Ito, si Doc Arnold, magaling ito, ha? There will come a time na siya rin magtuturo sa inyo, ha? Sketching yan, pabilisan yan. Last 1 minute. Pag hindi nyo tapos, you just write your name. Okay. SK kagawad. Oh, that's good. Kompleto bang kagawad siya? At least meron kayo galing gamitin yung budget ng SK. Landscape painting, no? Seascape. Gusto mo? Sige. Mas madali siya yung seascape kaysa landscape. So, nagawa ka ng kita mo yung pag-layout, no? Either you use a pencil o yung diretsyo na gamitin mo yung brush mo. Pakita mo lang sa kanya that we will let them do. So, yun ang gusto mo, seascape. Turo mo yung how to start with it. The videos yun. Oh, last 30 seconds. Saan si Paini?
Dapat mahuli yung suspect, ah.
Okay, you start writing your names. And then the date today.
Francis.
Okay. Our dear MC, pass your paper. Start collecting. Kasi yan pabilisan yan Write your names. Okay, pass your paper. Mag-collect na. I-collect nyo na yung output nila. Yan. Okay. Nice one. It's Ria. Where's Ria? Ria. And then this is LJ. Okay, LJ. Tingnan mo yung output. This is Jin. Saan si Jin? Saan si Jin? Where's Jin? Jin, ito, Jin. Jan. Sinong gumawa nito? Okay. That's Jin. No? Ito naman was made by Chadrick Magno. Ano ito? Ikaw, wait. Okay. Jadon. Pwedeng pang anime. Pang oh, Noah. Wow. Anong explanation nito? Late da. Ina-assess ko kasi sayang. No, ito, kami yung bumili nito. Ipapagamit namin sa iyo. This is a cardboard canvas. Ngayon kung sasayangin nyo lang ito, sayang. Yung investment sa inyo. Kaya namin ina-assess kung how far have you gone sa ganito. Para kung medyo nahirapan kayo, i-guide namin kayo. Medyo kailangan na ihasa, may mag-aasa rin sa inyo. No? Cassandra. Oh. Okay. Ito rin. Wow, galing. Oh. Blank. No. Sueno. Ito, kanino to? Wow. This one. Oh, ito. Pwede rin. Angelo Caplion. Oh, kaya. Oh, see? Nalit kang dumating? Jonathan Pangilinan. Oh. Okay. And then this is Drew Ann Martinez. First Drew. Yun. Okay. Nalit ka. Sige. Ngayon. Let's go to serious business. Okay? Ano yung mga kailangan ng artist kung ikaw ay talagang serious, you'd like na i-career mo na ito? No? One that you need is a canvas. This is a cardboard canvas. No? But later on, sinabi ko kay SK Chairman, kay Piney, kung maaari, gumamit yun ng canvas na yung totoo. No? Totoo naman ang canvas ito, pero naka-mount isa cardboard. Yun yung canvas na sinasabi. Yan. Ito, this is the canvas na. Ayan. Okay? Ngayon. Para Piney, for what is this?
For you.
For me? Gamitin na natin. No? Para mas makita nilang madali. I would like to ask Dylan to open this for me. And then ituro mo kung paano yung gagawin dito. Okay? Kung gagamit ko ng canvas na dito, gamitin nyo itong pang-ipit ng mga ito para may stretch siya. I-demonstrate ni Dylan how to do it. Tinuro ko yan sa kanila. And then, yun, may price pa siya. Anyway, before you start painting, ito, pakinggan nyo, mistake ng karamihan na artist hindi ginagawa. Gumamit kayo ng sprayer. Sprayan nyo ng tubig ito. Bago nyo ilagay yung pang-stretch nito dito sa mga butas. Ituturo niya kung paano gagawin. Kung wala, yung tubig na lang i-sprinkle nyo para ma-stretch ito. Okay? Ano yung mga kailangan ng isang nag-paint? Siyempre, pakita na yun. Ito, brushes. No? There are different kinds of brushes. But for this time, ituturo namin sa iyo water-based painting or acrylic painting. Ito, yung mga brushes na pwede, yan, middle size, Merong ito, maliliit. Yung detailing, kung maliliit masyado, maliliit na brush. Ito. Ganyan. Ito yung mga brushes. Ito, papahiram namin sa inyo to. Ha? Pero ibalik nyo to kasi may mga susunod pang mga art lessons na magtuturo kami. And then, aside from the canvas, kailangan nyo din ng easel. Yung easel, dito nyo ipapatong yung pagpipinturahan. For now, you can paint on the table, pero next time maganda. Ito pinagawa ko lang ito sa karpintero. Okay, ganito ang easel. Yung mga parents naman dito, if you like to make your children do advanced classes, magpagawa ng ganito. Okay. Ito yung gagamitin natin na paint. Itong mga to. There are how many basic colors? Bilangin natin. Red. Sa color spectrum, ang kodigo nyo is Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow,
Green, violet.
green, blue, indigo, then violet. Okay? Indigo is close to blue and violet. Ngayon, yung basic colors, you have red, yellow, blue, green, white, black. Ngayon, discardin nyo na sa pag-color combination. And I'd like, instead of me doing it, I'd like to see yourself, I'd like you to see yourself in the person of Dylan Calinis. Napakagaling niya. You have your own techniques, I have my own technique. Mayroon din siyang sariling technique. Arnold has his own technique. And so we have ito, no? But it's nice to learn from the techniques of others. And again, I'd like to tell you, this coming Saturday, meron pong free solar, no? Using the rays of the sun, solar art painting sa may Athletic Bowl. Punta kayo doon, okay? You can invite your friends. So itong pintor na to, these are water-based or acrylic. Ibig sabihin, ito like yellow, no? Ito, yung brush, pwede yung hugasan sa tubig. So may I ask Piney and SK officers who are here, if you can kindly provide small na tarpaulins na pagban. Pero kung meron ng ito nang gamitin natin, better yan. Kung may tarpaulin sana, ilagay nun para doon nila kukunin. Ito, ito is courtesy of the Sangguniang Kabataan of Bulacan Proper, sina Piney and the officers. Ito yung nakatube. Nakatube. Buksan nyo lang ito. Ilagay natin yan muna ito sa, you help us. Ilagay natin ito, Margie. Ilagay natin doon sa tarpaulin, okay? Then, i-distribute natin ito sa inyo. Dylan, itong distribute nyo. Margie, may distribute. Ito, then Dylan will teach you kung ano. Makinig kayo. When you do a painting, unang gawin nyo is mag-isip. Think kung ano yung concept or subject matter na gagawin nyo, okay? But for this subject matter, I will ask Dylan to teach how to do seascape. Sa visual arts, may tinatawag na one. Kung halimbawa, gagawa kayo ng mountains, landscape, or fields, body of water, pwedeng river, pwedeng waterfall, or maybe even an ocean. Seascape, ocean yun. Okay? My favorite pag nagtuturo ako is sunrise and sunset. Yung last na lesson namin sa Balsigan Barangay with Adan and Margie, sunset naman yung view na ginawa namin. Ngayon, ganito. Ito, water-based. Pag ito, natapos kayo, hugasan nyo ng tubig. Ngayon kung halimbawa, iisa lang ang brush nyo, no? Kailangan na gumamit kayo ng ibang kulay. Yan. I-soak nyo sa water. Okay? At gamit nyo ito paghugasan na. So, si Dylan will teach you. Buksan mo na lang yan. Saan ka magtuturo dito o dito na? Masyado mataas ka. Ha? Dito na lang. Okay. Pakita mo sa kanila yung pan dito paglagay. Sa ngayon, we will provide you the free cardboard canvas. Pero next time na gusto nyo mag-advance, you bring your own canvas para iuwi nyo yung trabaho nyo. The basic colors lang. Right? Ano ito yung sarang ito? Ha? Parang color, courtesy to speak. Yellow. I-com namin, sige, kagabila. O yan, lagyan ng tubig paghugasan. You can take your brush here or you can take, ay nako, baka mag-mix-mix. Gamitin nyo na lang yung brush ng barangay. Ayan, kuha kayo ng brush. Diyan. Kuha kayo dyan. Ayan. Okay. Ito, panoorin nyo itong gagawin ni Dylan, ha? Ilagay mo na yun. Tipik-tipik na. May sprayer ba kayo, Piney? Do you have a sprayer? Oo. May sprayer ba? Saan sila? At may sprayer kayo. Ayan naman. Panoorin nyo ito, ha? Gagawin ni Dylan. Yan. Kaya doon, para hindi matumihan. Pwede rin ilagay dito yung pano. Okay? Kawanan. Sige, ganito, gawin. Maglagay ka ng tubig, ganun. Yung hands mo na. Doon sa cup, lagyan ng tubig.
Share lang kayo, ha?
Share lang kayo, okay? Ang yung lipatang margin, i-pencils ka.
Apat lang mo?
Basic colors kat 5 plus the black and white. Dati black ito eh. So hindi dito. Kasalan ko natin ito dyan.
Blue yan.
Ayun. Ganito ah. Oh, makinig kayo. Ay, watch pala. Ito. Ilagyan mo ng... Dahil wala tayong sprayer, ganun na lang, spray na ganun. Okay? Pero next time, you get our sprayer. Okay? Para ma-stretch siya. Oops. Wala tayong sprayer.
Pwede yung foam, sir.
Oh, kung may foam, di foam. May foam ba kayo?
Foam
Wala.
Panghugas.
Wala kayong foam?
ng plato.
Wala.
Wala.
Lagay mo na yung one. Dito, paglagay ng ganito, oh. Ano rin nyo? Lalagay niya yung ipit nito. Okay. Yun. Ito ang ipapasok niya, this side, ha? Hindi yung ito, this one. Okay. Ayan. Bigyan niyo din sila. Okay. So, Dylan, you take it away. So, magha-hands-on na kayo. Ituturo niya rin yung technique niya, okay? Sige. Ito yung canvas na usually ang canvas, pag bago, walang top coat ito. No? So kung ordinary canvas, you need to put gesso or primer paint. Ha? Pero ito, meron ng gesso, ito na primeran na. Ha? Hindi na kailangan. Pero pwede nyo namang doblihin, lalagyan ng primer. Okay. Anong pan mo, Dylan? Pag ano? Pag ano? Okay? Yan. So, panoorin nyo, yan yung mga straight niya. And then after that, ano, seascape ba? Landscape. So, Dylan will teach you how to do seascape or a sea. Landscape, land. Sea, seascape. Waterscape, any body of water. Okay? Yan. So, yung kombinasyon nyo, tignan nyo yung gagawin niya. Okay? Kailangan ng music para may inspiration. Okay. Wag muna kayong magkuhan ha. And I would advise you, yung mga parents, you invest in your kids. Katulad nito, meron na siyang set of brushes, no? Ito, halimbawa ito, no? Gagawa kayo ng leaves ng trees, no? Gaganyan yan. Ituro yung paggamit ng itong fan na brush. Yan. Okay, so, yan. Panuorin nyo, ha? Especially for the first timers. Ito rin, pwede rin dito. Pero may kulang ito, yung brush na yung maliit. May piece. Sige. Ikaw na mag-lecture, madam.
Okay, so yung gagawin natin ngayon is seascape na sunset. So for starters, mag-sketch muna. Pwede kayo gumamit ng pencil or pwede rin diretsong paint na if confident kayo. Yan. So sa first is may tinatawag tayo 3 window.
Sige.
Ganda ka. Para mas magaidan yung pag-sketch nyo tapos pag-painting. Try nyo gawin sa canvas nyo. Pwede kayong gumamit ng pencil or diretsong brush. Tapos yung pag-grip nyo is dapat light lang para hindi siya masyadong mag-blend sa color na ibigay. Start nyo.
Lian. Nakakapit ka ng Lian. Kasi na rin, sulit ka lang sabi. Okay, diretso mo na para
Okay,
then
so after
learn
nyo
it your way.
After nyo mag-weed, di ba, of course, sa sunset, may sun. So, yung sun is ilagay nyo sa middle. Dito. Mag-ano lang kayo ng circle. After ng sun, is syempre dun sa horizon ng sun, may mga nakikita tayong buildings or mountains nandun. So, pwede kayo maglagay ng mga mountains or any. Yung bilang ng mountains is kayo na bahala, pero kailangan maliit kasi syempre pag nakatingin tayo sa malayo, maliit yung nakikita natin. Perspective din.
tignan niyo yung kanya, yung color combinations ni Dinan kasi it's very important na matuto kayo. Pwede rin kayong mag-experiment, okay?
So mag-start tayo dun sa the yellow from orange to red. Padark siya ng padark. And sa pag-paint nyo pala ng background is gumamit kayo ng yung flat brush, yung malawak yung brush para mas spread yung paint. Huwag yung pointed.
Pupunta ito sa YouTube. Hindi na mai-erase. Amin nga lesson ni Sir Leandro di sa YouTube. Sakto mga record.
Panuorin nyo yung ginagawa ni Dylan ha, kasi kanyan, pinag-aralan nila yung pagganyan.
na. Galingan, Danny girl. Wag masyado.
Okay lang ma-interview ko yung ba't tayo sumali sa art lesson. Or... Okay na pa ito dito.
Sige po. Ano kasi yung ano?
Dapat kayo.
Okay na ba yung first question ko? Into arts ba talaga tayo before tayo sumali sa art lesson?
Actually, yes po, in arts na po ako. Nung high school po, actually, part din po ko ng special program in the arts. Although, it's different sa music po ko. Pero, namulat na rin po ko sa arts. So, very, yun. As for me, part na siya ng life ko.
Eh ma'am, tanong ko lang, bakit kayo parang mahilig sa art? Dito ba natin i-express yung perhaps yung emotions natin?
Yes, dito talaga natin na-express yung emotions natin. Lalo sa, kahit sa music or lalo na sa painting kasi I believe yung mga taong hindi nila kayang i-express yung mga feelings nila minsan sa painting natin nakikita. Very, parang may emotional touch kasi pag nakikita mo mga paintings. Kaya siguro siya. So, super gandang tingnan guys. May element siya na emotions.
Ma'am, bakit tayo sumali ngayon sa art lesson? Or parang, ano ba ma'am, parang way din natin ito para ma-express yung sarili. At bukod doon ma'am, parang ma-enhance ko yung parang naaral na natin, na skills, sa pagdodrawing.
Ayun po. Yun po, isa po yun. Sumali po tayo dito sa free arts na workshop para ma-enhance din yung training natin, para mas matuto tayo. Lalo na ngayon, merong nagde-demo, mas matututunan natin kung paano talaga gumawa ng isang artwork. Tapos, ano ba yung techniques? Very useful siya.
Ma'am, ano yung pangalan natin?
Danny po.
Ma'am Danny.
Daniel Peñaflor po, pero Danny po yung...
Thank you so much po, ma'am.
Kaya, may technique siya. Okay.
Ito, nandiyan ka na usap. Pag mag-paint kayo, always bring cloth, no? Cloth. Ganito, pangpunas palagi ha? It's water-based. Ito, bakit si Dylan? Si Dylan, ito. This is water, right? Makinig ko yung nasa likod, itong water. Ito ang lalabas dito, yung reflection nito. So yung puti-puti na yun, yun yung reflection niya. Pwede nyo pang ilagay mo yung reflection nitong pan. Yung moon. Here. Ilagay mo dun, dapat may reflection dito yung saan yung orange ko? Yung reflection nito, yung moon, di ba? There has to be a reflection. Yan. Reflect yung one. Yan, okay? Ngayon, pwede rin lagyan ng details yan. You use a small brush. Hirap mo yung brush niya maliit. Small one. Black ba to? Black? Lagyan ng mga ibon yan. Masyado malaki ito. Sino may small brush yan? Malaki na. Yung small brush. Ginagamit ng small brush, no? Yun, ito, pwede ito. Ano yung mga to? Ano yung mga to? Mga ibon, bird. Okay. Tanggalin natin yan kasi orange. Erase natin yan kasi masyado malaki. Kung mag-erase kayo, ganoon lang ha. Pero ito, dapat ikon nyo para hindi makita yung line nyo, nag-base kayo. Natin ng mga iba. Okay? Yan. Ganyan. O. So, lagyan na ng detail. So, yun. Maganda yun. May mga trees. Okay? Then, tip, yung brush ninyo, kung hindi nyo inugasan yan, titigas yan. Hindi nyo na magagamit. So, after using your brush, always make sure to wash with water and wipe with. Mga tips ko yan kasi sayang yung brush nyo na masisira. Okay? Sa'yo yan. So yun, so may mga birds siya. Birds of paradise. Then, one more thing. Masasabi nyo na tapos na, makinig kayo sa likod. You can say that your artwork is finished pag pinirmahan mo na. So, Dylan, pirmahan mo na yan. Pirmahan mo na. So, pipirmahan ni Dylan yung kanyang artwork. Okay? Thank you, Piney, for the canvas. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo mag-advance classes, we can fix this. Scheduling lang yan, scheduling. Meron naman every Saturday na free art lessons class sa Art Bank sa Athletic Club. 8:30 to 10 o'clock. So, next Saturday, sinong makakapunta niya sa next Saturday? Sa Athletic Club. Solar art using the rays of the sun. Okay? Bibigyan na tayo? Sige. Uray yapugan, di ba? Magandamot lang di yapugan naman. Okay ba na halimbawa kung sa next class ay i-transfer natin sa Luwakan Apugan Barangay? Okay lang sa inyo? Pati si Piney can also join. Baka yun yung specialty nyo, gagamitin nyo lang yung magnifying lens. Ha? So importante, magdala kayo ng sunglasses. Okay? Then kung makadala kayo ng magnifying lens na convex, okay? Pag wala, papahiraman kayo ng pinsan ko, si Jordan Mangsa. Mahal ang mag-enroll dito kaya hindi palaging may ganito. So, sa next Saturday, inuulit ko, we're going to have free solar painting lessons with the master solar artist Jordan Mangusan sa Tamawan Village na siyang magtuturo. Okay? Punta ka. So are you ready? Before na mag-award tayo ng certificates niyo, will you be kind enough to come in front para i-present niyo yung inyong output? Okay? Iganito nyo lang yung output nyo, ha? Hawakan nyo. Ganyan. Saan yung mga SK officers? Ayaw lahat, with Piney. Dito tayo mag-picture, umanite ba rin? Ano i-jay tayo? What is better? Or here? Kastoy. Sige. Balik kayo. Mag-picture tayo, ha? Bring your artwork. Yun, ang gaganda. Galing. Ito, parang abstract eh.
Yeah.
Kung gusto mo yan, i-abstract mo yan eh. Pwede. Okay. Ganda niyan. Oh, ganda rin yun. Oh. Ganda rin yan. Oh. Maraming palang artist dito.
Yes.
Then Piney, after this one, you find a place na we can do a community mural. Kayong saan ang vacant space? Ayan natin vacant space ito yan. Ito yung nga na tinag-practice nito at makita yung talente. I-guide mo yung suda. We will do a mural for Barangay.
With Counselor, we have the Kawa. It's a great wall, but we also have, oh my gosh, I don't think what it.
Certificate of Participation. This certificate is presented to Drew Clary-Ann Martinez for actively participating in the art workshop, The Artist in Me, held at Luwakan Proper Barangay and the multipurpose hall given this 18th day of May 2024. Signed by Honorable Leandro B. Yamot Jr., SK Chairperson Honorable Piney Flor Busokan, and SK Member Honorable Mark Aquino.
Okay. Yan. So yan, makita mo yan. Galing. Oh, yan. Okay. Joy, na-calling cards nyo. Kanyo di kito tapno no advance lesson nyo.
Yes.
Ada?
Inalak dyan ang burden, sir. Inalak dyan ang burden, sir.
Sir.
Sige. Okay, next. Then group picture taking.
Yes.
Meron ako dito.
Ay, sorry.
Wait, ha?
Agad-agad, sir.
Patagalin mo naman. Hindi mangyari ito para pangpuntahan. Okay. Next is Jedon.
Wait.
The
Pakita mo doon.
youngest. You're gonna show us.
Pangit. Dito na lang daw. Kasi galing niya.
Yung mga awards, dito kayo.
1, 2, and...
Okay. You get this one. Sa'yo na to. Next.
Oh, balong.
Okay. Okay. Double ka.
Tebuti ka ni Mama kita pa lang sa atras na.
Ibig niyo mama yung papa.
Mamaya mag-group picture tayo na lang dito. Maski crowded. Okay. Na syempre yung Daligos.
Na?
Yan. Okay. So you get that one. You show your artwork. Yun.
1, 2, and...
Ito pwedeng pang abstract art.
Oh.
Oh, balong.
Noah Shem Daligos. Noah, yan. Uy, galing din. Pwede rin pang abstract yan.
1, 2, and...
Hmm. Sige. Swen, Kisley.
Speak English.
Ay. Oh, hawakan mo yan.
Kasi siya
And then you
kasi.
show your artwork. Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Ito maging impressionist. Angelo. Sino? Yan. Wow. Galing ah.
1, 2...
Pakita mo yung artwork. Yan. Okay. Basa nyo na lang.
Cedric Magno.
Uy, kita mo yung artwork mo, your masterpiece. Galing. Oh, yun mo to. Oh, ang impressionist. Oh. Pwede yung
1,
abstract.
2, 3.
Okay, ayan.
Ligyang Peña Flor.
Ayan. Here.
1, 2, and...
Tingin, oh. Galing.
Jamil Kerr Javier.
Jamil.
Jamil. Yan. Kay Jamil.
1, 2, and 3.
Kia Felicity Gallo.
Talong. Taga Busaw ata to eh. Taga Busaw ka? You're from Busaw? Ay, taga Busaw. Talong na ito.
1, 2, 3.
So, yung mga hindi nag-register with YouTube lang,
Yeah.
sino yung hindi pa sinatawagan?
Yung hindi natawagan kami. Get your...
Okay.
1, 2, and 3.
Jonathan?
Yan. So, ganda rin yan.
1, 2, smile.
Yan. Yun, ganda rin yan. Kasi,
Piney. 1, 2.
Tingin ako na ginawa mo. Youngest.
wow. Ilang taon ka na? Okay, 7. Oh, mas bata yung lalaki, 6. Baka na rin ito.
SK Danny.
Yan. Ayun eh. May artist din dito na SK.
Yes po.
Okay.
Pambato namin.
Pambato, yan.
Yeah.
Yan. Pwede na sa mural yan, no? Ganda.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Kasing ganda mo yung painting mo. Okay,
3.
next.
Also, nag-pick up din ni Danny for mural.
Ay, kasi. Good, good, good. Sino pa?
Pangalan ba?
Sino pa hindi nabigyan? Okay, group picture na. Group
Let's go.
picture tayo.
Jaydan, no one.
So, in closing, congratulations sa SK sa napakagandang creative initiative na ginawa nila na pinangunahan ni Tiny, Tusukan, and mga officers. Si Dylan, bigyan nyo ng certificate.
Yeah.
Yan. Dylan, kalinis.
1, 2, and 3. Okay.
Okay.
And
Ano pa?
also, certificate the counselor
Okay, thank you.
for a certificate of appreciation for Attorney Leandro B. Yangot Jr. for passionately contributing his skills and knowledge to the youth of Barangay Luacan proper during the art workshop with the team, The Artist in Me. With a great admiration, we present this gesture of gratitude for your heartfelt efforts and generous support for the development of youth in our community. Given this day, 18th day of May 2024 at Luacan Proper Multipurpose Hall, signatured by SK Chairperson, SK Treasurer Krista Joy Tabeta, and Secretary Maytan Ballester.
Yay! Salamat! Thank you for the certificate. Okay. And wala kang certificate yung mga kasama. Bigyan mo. Ha? Si Dr. Arnold, si Catherine, si Joy, and Albert, sino pa?
Ma'am Marge.
Dylan, sino pa?
Ma'am Marge.
And Margie. Okay, so let's take a group picture before we leave. Mag-picture tayo, pakita yung mga artworks. Like kayo, with the team. Let's